Good morning, my queen. I'm going to cook yummy breakfast for you. Ho ho ho! Looking very tasty. Yum yum. Hey baby, look at this yummy soup. This is for you. Take it.
I'm in pain. Let's go to the doctor. Maybe it's delivery time.
Let's go. Have patience, my queen. You are a brave girl.
Hey, welcome Mr. and Mrs. How can I help you?
I am in too much pain, doctor. It's delivery time. Help me.
You are too weak. You have to eat some lettuce for energy.
Okay. Let's go, honey. Hurry up. Here it is. Come, honey. Hurry up.
I can't walk. I am very tired.
Just eat it. Hurry up.
Hey, stop. This lettuce is mine. Who gives you permission to take this?
My wife is in pain. Doctor told her to eat lettuce before giving birth.
Oh, so it's baby delivery time? Okay, I will give you this lettuce, but this baby will be mine. Okay?
I can't handle this pain. Please let's go.
Okay. I will give you this baby. Let us go, please.
Congratulations. It's a baby girl.
I fulfill my promise. This baby girl is now yours.
Oh, cutie pie. I am your mama. My sweet baby Rapunzel. Rapunzel, it's your mama. Pull your long golden hair down.
Okay, Mama.
Hey, what is this? Oh my God, 2 long hairs. I can't believe.
My daughter, sweet Rapunzel, I am going somewhere for a year. Take care of yourself and don't go anywhere. You just stay at home.
Okay, Mommy. Love you, my sweet mom.
Love you more, my princess. Love you more. My princess, I am leaving. Bye.
Rapunzel, I am your mama. Pull your long golden hair down.
Okay, Mama.
Oh no!
Hi, beautiful. I love you. I am a prince. Will you marry me?
No, no, no. My mama will kill you. Please go. She is a very strict lady.
But I will do anything for you.
Ah,
I will love you like how the moon loves the darkness.
ah. Yes, I will.
Rapunzel, Rapunzel, it's your mama. Pull your long golden hair down. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, where are you?
Oh.
Who are you? How dare you make her pregnant?
Mama, he is a nice guy. He is my husband.
You go, Rapunzel. She is a bitch. She is not your real mother. Run!
Uh-oh.
Rapunzel.
Oh.
Congratulations! We became parents. Thank you, my sweetie, for this cute little angel.